Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today, we dive straight into 12 essential words about making and declining invitations. Let's go. Stuck on how to accept or decline.
Oh yeah, that can be so hard. Let's imagine we are new coworkers.
That's a great idea, Leo. You can be Tom. I'll be Sarah. I'll start.
Okay, I'm Tom. I have my morning coffee. I am ready.
Hi, Tom. Welcome to the team. It is nice to work with you.
Hi, Sarah. Thanks. It's great to be here. This is a nice office.
A few of us are going for lunch. Would you like to join us?
Oh, lunch? That sounds nice. When are you all going?
We usually go around 1 o'clock. Are you free then?
Yes, I am. 1 o'clock is perfect for me.
Great. We are going to the Italian place down the street. It is very good.
Oh, Italian food? I'd love to. Thank you for asking.
No problem at all. We are happy you can come.
Sounds great. I'm excited to meet everyone.
Perfect. We will come and get you at 1.
Okay, pause. That was a very smooth conversation, Debbie.
Yes, it was. And we used 4 phrases for inviting and accepting.
Did you all listening in the car catch them? The first one was yours.
That's right. I said, would you like to, U-O-U-L-D, then like L-I-K-E?
This phrase is a very polite way to invite someone. It is useful.
Yes. Would you like to get coffee? Or would you like to see a movie?
It means do you want to? But in a softer way.
It shows you are asking kindly. You are not demanding.
Simple and clear. I like it. And then you asked a checking question.
I did. I asked, are you free? That checks someone's schedule.
Are you free on Saturday? Or are you free after work?
It is a good follow-up question. It helps you make a plan.
That's true. My sister Mia always forgets this part. She just invites people.
So they don't know when. It is a common mistake for learners.
Okay, and then I accepted. I used 2 phrases. The first was, I'd love to.
And I noticed you said, I'd love to, not just I'd love. That's important.
Oh, right. Because it's short for, I would love to join you.
Exactly. It's a very warm way to say yes. It shows enthusiasm.
I use that one all the time. It feels very friendly.
And what was the last one you used, Leo?
I said, sounds great. S-O-U-N-D-S. Great. G-R-E-A-T.
This is a classic phrase. It means, that idea sounds great to me.
You can use it for anything. Pizza tonight? Sounds great.
A walk in the park? Sounds great. Very useful.
Okay, a good start. But what if you need to say no? That's the hard part.
Yes, it is. Let's try a new scene. This time we are friends.
Okay. I'll call you. Let's say it's Friday afternoon.
Perfect. My phone is ringing. Hello?
Hey, Debbie, it's Leo. How are you doing? How was your week?
Hi, Leo. I'm good, thanks. Just finishing my work. And a cup of tea, of course.
Of course. So I have 2 tickets to a concert tonight. Do you want to go?
Oh, a concert. Tonight? Leo, I'm sorry, I can't.
Oh, that's too bad. Are you sure? It's that band you like.
I know. I really want to go, but I'm busy tonight.
Busy? It's Friday night. You don't have plans, do you?
Actually, I do. I have other plans with my friend from university.
Oh, okay. I understand. Well, that's a shame.
I know. Maybe another time. I hope you find someone to go with.
No problem. I'll ask my sister. Okay, scene end. Sure.
See? Saying no can be polite. It doesn't have to be hard.
You're right. Your first phrase was, I'm sorry I can't.
Yes. Starting with I'm sorry makes it softer. It shows you feel bad.
It's better than just saying no. That can sound rude.
I tell my students to always start with that. I'm sorry, I can't make it.
Okay, good tip. Next, you said, I'm busy, busy.
That's right. It's a simple reason. You don't need to give details.
Right. I'm busy on Saturday. I'm busy this weekend. People understand,
But sometimes you want to give a little more information.
which is why you said, I have other plans, plans.
Yes. This tells the person that your schedule is already full.
It's polite. It shows you already had something arranged.
You can say, I have other plans with my family, for example.
Same for me. Sometimes I have to go to the gym. It's my other plan.
And finally, a very important phrase for keeping a friendship strong.
Maybe another time. This one is key. It shows you want to see them again.
Yes, exactly. It keeps the door open for a future invitation.
I'm busy tonight, but maybe another time. It's polite and hopeful.
It softens the no a lot. I really recommend using it.
Okay, 4 ways to say yes, 4 ways to say no. We have one more set.
Let's do it. A final scene. This time we are organizing a team picnic.
A picnic? Okay, I hope there's good coffee. I'll be Mark, the manager.
And I'll be Jane, an employee. And my cat Biscuit wants to come. Just kidding.
Ha! Okay, Jane. Hi. I'm planning a team picnic for next Saturday.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun, Mark. A picnic is a great idea.
So how about next Saturday at the park? Around noon?
Noon on Saturday works for me. Count me in!
Fantastic. What about you, our listener in the car? Can you make it?
Oh, wait. I just remembered something. I'm tied up in the morning.
Tied up? Oh, do you have a meeting or something?
My cousin is visiting. I can probably come a bit later. Maybe at 1?
That's no problem. Just come when you can. We'll be there all afternoon.
Okay, great. Let me know if the plan changes.
Will do. Okay, end scene. That was a good one. A little more complex.
Yes, with a small problem that we solved. Let's look at the phrases.
You started with a question this time. Ha, Subarum. How about...
Well, you said it as the manager. How about next Saturday?
Right. Right. HOW. About ABOUT. It's a suggestion.
It's a bit softer than let's meet on Saturday. It asks for ideas.
I see. Like, how about we get pizza? It feels more like a team.
Then I said yes with a really positive phrase. Count me in.
I love that one. COUNT. It's so energetic. It's like I am 100% coming.
It is. It means include me in your plan. It is very enthusiastic.
A trip to the beach? Count me in. It makes people feel good.
But then I had a problem. I used the phrase, I'm tied up.
TIED. Up, UP. This is a great one. It's like I'm busy.
Yes, but it often means you are busy with a specific thing.
Like you can't escape it. I'm tied up at work. Or stuck in traffic like me on my drives.
Ha! Exactly. You can't change it, so you need to be flexible.
And the last phrase helps with that. Let me know.
Yes. Let me know if the time changes. It means inform me or tell me.
It's good for confirming plans. Let me know if you can come.
A very useful phrase for making final arrangements.
Wow. Okay, that's 12 new phrases. That's a lot to remember.
It is. But they are also useful. Shall we do a quick recap?
A lightning round. Yes. I'll give you a situation. You give me the phrase.
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Okay. How do you ask someone if their schedule is open?
Are you free?
Perfect. How do you say yes in a very warm, friendly way?
I'd love to.
You have to say no, but you want to see them in the future.
Maybe another time.
You are very, very busy with something you can't change.
I'm tied up.
Your turn to test me. I've had my coffee, I'm sharp.
All right. How do you make a suggestion in a friendly way?
How about der sperm?
Yes. How do you say yes with a lot of energy?
Count me in.
And how do you tell someone you already have a commitment?
I have other plans.
Last one. A simple, polite way to decline.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Excellent work, Leo. And great work to you too for listening.
That's right. You did a great job. Try to use one of these phrases today. That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing, and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive!